Okay, here we have a 64 Chevy II, and like I said, comparing the other one, that 63. I was thinking about that piece of chrome that goes across the front of the hood. That was the aftermarket hood. That's why it was missing from there, and it just gives it a different appearance with that aftermarket hood by far. And the other one I was looking at. So, 5-spoke wheels again, cruising 2. So you got your B&M shifter in there. I don't know what kind of it's an automatic, but turbo 350, turbo 400, gauge package. This is pretty common what you would see back in the day, something like this. The Novas were a lot cheaper to get a hold of and upgrade. So you got your classic Florida plates, 1964. So he's got this registered as an antique, which is cool. Third brake light, which you pretty much need that today, because people, they look at your brakes today and they see those little lights, they wouldn't even notice them. You know what I mean? People, it's like with safety, people got so used to these big glaring brake lights with the third eye. If you look at, this was a big light back then. It used to be smaller back in the 40s and 30s. That was a big light. Now people are used to seeing these giant ones. So adding that third eye brake light was a smart thing. This classic car, because you don't want somebody smashing in the rear. And he's got aftermarket AC, and that's pretty much how they used to have the ACs. You see it down there at the bottom? That's pretty much how they had them. So this was pretty much what you would see, very typical of a basic hot rod back then with the type of stripes, because it wasn't extremely difficult to paint this. Now, one thing I used to see a lot too was lace paint job. Let's do lace. Just take some lace, and you would you would put it in a pattern in there, like just throw the lace over it, spray over it, and you got a lace pattern, and you clear it. Actually, it's not even that hard to do, to tell you the truth. Even if it doesn't come out that perfect, it still looks bitchin'. You don't see lace paint jobs anymore. Not the whole car, just some parts of it,